Adding contacts to your iPhone is simple. Import from a SIM card, sync with Gmail or Outlook, or transfer via iCloud. You can also use third-party tools. Learn more now. Way 1. How to add new contacts to iPhone using Contacts app. Unlock your iPhone and open the phone app. Tap Contacts at the bottom, then hit the plus sign. Enter the contact's details and tap Done to save. The new contact will appear in your list. Way 2. How to add contacts to iPhone from call history. Open the phone app and tap Recents. Find the desired number and tap the info icon. Choose Create New Contact or Add to Existing Contact. Enter the details and tap Done to save. Way 3. How to add phone number to iPhone from text message. Open the Messages app and select a conversation. Tap the info icon in the top right. Tap the phone number, then choose Create New Contact. Enter the details and tap Done. Way 4. How to add contacts to iPhone from another phone directly. To transfer contacts from iPhone or Android to iPhone, use Mobican Transfer for mobile. This tool offers an easy solution to transfer various file types between devices, allowing quick contact transfer to your new iPhone. Step 1. Connect the two iPhones to a computer. Step 2. Confirm the phone's position. Step 3. Start to add contacts to iPhone. Way 5. How to save contacts on iPhone with iCloud. On your old phone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Contacts, and enable Contacts. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and turn on Contacts. Way 6. How to add contacts to iPhone from Gmail. Open Settings and go to Accounts and Passwords. Tap Add Account and select Google. Enter your Gmail info, tap Next. Enable Contacts, and tap Save. Open the Contacts app to sync. Way 7. How to add phone number to iPhone from SIM card. Remove SIM cards from both phones. Insert the old phone's SIM into your new iPhone. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Import SIM contacts. Afterward, switch back to your iPhone SIM. Way 8. How to save contacts on iPhone using iTunes. Open the latest iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB. Tap the device icon in iTunes, then click Info. Choose Sync Contacts with N. Select Windows Contacts. Click Sync to transfer contacts.